إن المنافقين يخادعون الله وهو خادعهم وإذا قاموا إلى الصلاة قاموا كسالى يراءون الناس ولا يذكرون الله إلا قليلا.
تقال العثار العظام به ويغدو الهوى ككبش ذبيح بذكر.
He said sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the best generation, the one that I came, and then the one after that, and then the one after that, 300 years, and then after that some people gonna come big stomachs, ate chapatis, overeating. The kafir and the munafiq, they eat for 7 intestines. The believer, he eats for 1, and that 1 intestine, he eats, as he said, just a few morsels of flesh to keep his back straight. So we have to work out. When you work out, there are some endorphins that are released, chemicals that make you want to get up and go. They make you feel better. They make you sleep better. Didn't the Nabi say, sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the strong believer is better and more beloved to Allah? And it's talking about physical strength. The strong believer is better and more beloved to Allah than the weak believer. And both of them have good. The strong believer, if someone came to attack his mother, his wife, his child, he's going to be there to defend them. He's not going to say, yeah, Hoya, go ahead, deal with the situation, Ummi, deal with the problem. He's not going to say that. The one who is strong has the ability to go out and work, and he comes to the masjid, and he's giving sadaqah. The weak one, he can't do anything, can't defend himself. He's heavy on the people. Allah told Yahya, take the book and be strong. Be strong. Be on your religion. People come, they have something to say. Intellectually, they're terrorizing the Muslims in the university, in this community, the papers, the media. They want to make us appear as if we're a way that we're not. Our religion is a way that it's not. No, the Muslims are going to be strong concerning that. When I say strong, I don't mean ignorant, extreme. I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about people who don't bite their tongues. They defend themselves. They defend the religion. So I'm encouraging all of you. You older men have to work out. Sister, watch what you're eating and how you're eating and work out.
يا ليت اليوم تفهمني وتفهم خاطري ورحل تكلم والشجرة مني سيف الهم تراه استل سيف الهم تراه استل.